Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to go to google.com, www.google.com. All right, it will take you to a place like this. All right, and to google.com. So from there you will see create email or sign up to create a Gmail account, just like this, right? Thereafter, it will take you to this home screen, right? Then you have to click on create account. Create account. If you enter your email or phone, as you can see here, it will work, right? It will work. You need to click on create account because you are just beginning or starting to create an account. Then you have to select which one, maybe work or personal use, just as you can see on your screen. Moving forward, you have to click on get a Gmail address. Get a Gmail address. Then you enter your details, your first name. What's your first name? Put it there. And this option is coming out because we click on for business. For personal, it will ask you for your first name and for your surname. So you can put your surname, although it's optional though. But you can just go ahead and fill in your correct information and details and click on next. Also enter your date of birth, your month, the year, and gender, as you can see on your screen. So you can see that automatically YouTube will suggest a some list of username for you, right? If you like the one being suggested, fine, you can go ahead with it. If you don't like it, you can create your own customized Gmail. So you, as you can see on your screen, I've been trying to enter a different email address, but YouTube is saying it's not allowed. All right, until I finally succeeded with the one I have currently, which is Nuel Media Plus at gmail.com. So that's my Gmail address. Okay, I hope it's quite explanatory, right? Thereafter, you enter your password and choose any password of your choice. Then you click on to confirm the password, and you proceed on to next step, right? Then you also enter the Google confirmation and all of that, and you are good to go. All right, so your Gmail is set for use, right? Gmail is set for use. Okay, now let's go to how you can create a YouTube channel, right? Creating a YouTube channel. I know for some persons this is what they are majorly interested in knowing. All right, it is very, very simple. The same approach you use for on desktop, because this is a desktop mode, right? So that can also be utilized using the mobile version, right? You can also enter the same website. Just go to your browser on your mobile phone and enter gmail.com. all right, then go to YouTube, and it will take you to this page, to your YouTube page, right? So this is how it's going to appear, because you've not created a new YouTube, you've not created, or you do not have a YouTube channel, right? Okay, so don't click on create. To create means you want to upload a video. Create a channel, right? Create a channel. That's what you just need to click when you get to this place. Create a channel, right? So I haven't created that channel. It will ask you to enter your name and also choose a unique handle, that is username. What do you think your username will be, or what do you prefer? What's your best username? Your choice. All right, so you enter it. Also, you can upload a profile picture. Probably maybe you've already edited it, maybe using simple tools like Canva and all of that, right? So You enter it and click on create channel, right? Create channel. Click on create channel to proceed. All right. Okay, so here you go. You are already on the interface here. So as you can see, everything is quite new. So for you to customize everything, just click on the customize channel there. Uh, Click on customize, and it will take you to different settings.